Tired of a manual grinder? What if I change something like that? And it all started with cleaning the material with a grinder. It's easier for me to clean a large piece before cutting. The exact dimensions of the elements were obtained by grinding the excess taken during cutting. The dimensions of the sides embracing the profile are equal to the profile height and the assumed clearance. I connected the set element with external weld. Only lubricating with oil makes it possible to remove the welded clamp. Now I am making mounting holes. After tapping, I remove the burrs on the inner walls with a file. Now let's see how quickly a cross-cutting station can be created. A reference profile is used to align the guide of the grinder. This is the cut line aligned exactly with the reference profile. This is a grinder handle twisted. It is worth to screwing it into the slider to get an insulated grip for other hand. Now the station is ready for hand cutting with an angle grinder with a guide. Have you noticed that when cutting, the filings are carried away from the tabletop? And most importantly, at this time I don't stand in the dust next to the grinder. Are you interested in what I did to make the grinder cut steel by itself? Keep watching. And the edge of the profile looks very good after the hands-free cut. And here is the whole complicated device driving the slider. Now let's use an angle grinder for hands-free straight line cutting of steel sheets. A grinder is a dangerous tool. It should be used in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Remember, you are responsible for the tools you make yourself. I'm Silvestro. Thanks for your attention, and I invite you to like and comment on the video, subscribe to my channel and watch other films.